Ashwagandha milk. This recipe need 1 cup whole milk or plant-based alternative like almond milk. 1 tsp. Ashwagandha powder, 1/2 teasp cinnamon for blood sugar regulation and flavor. 1/4 tsp cardamom for digestive and antimicrobial benefits. 1 teasp raw honey or jaggery. Warm the milk in a saucepan until nearly boiling. Reduce heat and whisk in ashwagandha powder, cinnamon, and cardamom. Simmer for 3–5 minutes, stirring continuously. Remove from heat and allow to cool slightly. Add honey or jaggery for sweetness. Drink warm before bedtime to improve sleep quality or in the morning for energy. Dosage, daily for 4–6 weeks. Avoid in pregnancy unless supervised by a practitioner. This tonic helps to overcome stress, anxiety, fatigue, hormonal balance, and immune support. Ashwagandha Indian ginseng is a premier Ayurvedic adaptogen, known to reduce cortisol levels, improve resilience to stress, and support immune function. Combined with warm milk and spices, it enhances absorption and promotes relaxation. Consult a healthcare provider, especially if pregnant, nursing, taking medications, or dealing with chronic conditions. Herbs can interact with drugs. Quality of ingredients. Use organic, sustainably sourced herbs and raw honey to avoid contaminants like heavy metals, which are sometimes found in commercial Ayurvedic products. Enjoy your nourishing ashwagandha milk. Remember to consult your healthcare provider. Stay healthy and balanced.